You won't believe this. A simple morning drink with everyday ingredients could help support your vision, focus, and blood pressure naturally. This isn't clickbait. In today's video, I'll share a morning drink you can whip up in under 5 minutes using ingredients you likely have in your kitchen. It's helped me and many others feel sharper, more balanced, and healthier. No gimmicks or supplements. Ingredients. Let me walk you through what goes into it. Turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory that may aid brain function and blood pressure. Ginger boosts digestion, circulation, and may support eye health. Lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, supports blood vessels and overall immunity. Apple cider vinegar, 1 TSP, supports digestion and blood sugar balance. Just mix 1 TSP turmeric, 2 TSP ginger, juice of half a lemon, 1 TSP ACV in warm water. Add a dash of honey if you like. How it works. These ingredients offer mild, natural support. Turmeric and ginger calm inflammation. Lemon adds antioxidants, and ACV helps stabilize sugar levels. Together, especially on an empty stomach, they give a gentle boost to digestion, circulation, and possibly eye comfort. How to incorporate it into your morning routine. Drink this first thing in the morning, ideally 15 or 30 minutes before breakfast. Pair it with deep breathing or a short walk to amplify benefits. Reviews. Many seniors report feeling more alert and steady after a few days. My own blood pressure readings improved, and my evening fatigue lessened. But again, listen to your body and keep track. Conclusion. Give it a try for a week. Just one simple morning drink and see how you feel. If this resonated, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who could try it too. Let me know in the comments if you noticed any changes. I read every message.